DNA fingerprinting, next topic, right? So DNA fingerprinting, in that, this one is very interesting topic. Now, so DNA fingerprinting and the thumb printing, both are same or different? Different. In which sense they are different? Thumb printing can be changed, can be copied by any other person, but DNA fingerprinting can be changed? No. Can be copied by any other person? No. Right? So DNA fingerprinting, that's a very unique feature, our identity, main one. Now, so DNA fingerprinting, first of all, DNA fingerprinting करना ही क्यों है? What is the importance of that? Significance of that to perform this DNA fingerprinting? In which cases this thing is needed? A forensic science में ये it's a one, हाँ, that's a paternity case के लिए, है ना? That two couples are there, right, and they claim for a single one of the child. So first preliminary test के लिए एक तो blood test होता है. You can now that link with that कि अगर one of the couple has AB blood group, दोनों का AB blood group है and child has O blood group, possible? Never, right? तो वहां से ही ये केस सॉल्व हो जाता है. बट ब्लड ग्रुप भी अगर मैच कर रहा है, यू नो द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर right. So then the next is a which one? This is the DNA fingerprinting test, right? DNA, our DNA, your DNA, right? That matches with whom? Exactly 100% either with father or mother? No. 50% even your siblings, because siblings में भी क्या है, father mother, same father mother की ही genes है, right? So remember DNA fingerprinting, right? In that the first of all paternity case के लिए, second DNA fingerprinting रेप केसेस में भी यूज होता है. थर्ड, जैसे अभी ये अहमदाबाद प्लेन क्रैश का जो था, राइट? सो डेड, टू आइडेंटिफाई द डेड बॉडीज के दैट पर्सन बिलोंग्स टू विच फैमिली, राइट? सो उसके लिए भी क्या चाहिए? डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग. अगर आपने न्यूज में सुना हो दैट डीएनए सैंपल, इतने सारे लोग थे, मोर देन 200, राइट? तो हर एक के फैमिली के भी क्या चाहिए? डीएनए सैंपल, राइट? तभी जाके ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो सकता है. मदर फादर के या फिर सिबलिंग्स के क्या चाहिए? डीएनए सैंपल. तब जाके ये पॉसिबल है, राइट, टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट्स अ डेड पर्सन. सो डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग involves identifying differences in some specific regions in DNA sequence called as which one? Repetitive DNA, right? In all of us, that the majority part is there, that is the actually which one over the repeated DNA sequences are there. Hypothetically हम सब में, like one more thing, ये concept clear रखना, not mentioned in your book, but this thing is needed to understand this, that we have 23 pairs of chromosome. First pair of chromosome जो है, on that suppose AT या फिर GCGC और GGCC, GGGCC, like that the sequences are there, right? So this sequences, remember, suppose right now I am taking that GC, right? That GC, that base pairs repeated so many times, right? That repetition can be occur at so many times. That sequence will remain same and all of us, that's the chromosome number 1, right? Majority part यही है, हमारा majority DNA मैच ही करता है, yes or no? Point 1 ही क्या है? Difference. SNPs are there, single nucleotide polymorphism, that shows that variations, right? So here हर एक की chromosome 1 में hypothetically right now consider that GC sequence is present. That GC sequence, right, that repeated numbers are different. Which one? Repeated numbers. Suppose मेरे में 5 times repeat हो रहा है, next में 10 times है, 15 times है, 100 times है, like that. The numbers can be vary. Clear? So sequence same, but numbers can be vary. Understood this thing? तभी जाके ये technique possible है, otherwise not, right? Small stretch of DNA, right? Over that, that's a repetitive sequences are there. It's a part of DNA, right? We have one is a genomic DNA that codes for the which one? Protein. That codes for the proteins and other things also. and other part is the DNA. In that continuously, that's the repetitive sequences are there. On each chromosome, the sequence get vary. क्रोमोसोम 1 पे हमारे जो सीक्वेंस है लाइक जीसी है, क्रोमोसोम 2 पे है एटी, क्रोमोसोम 3 पे है एटीजीसी, क्रोमोसोम 4 पे है जीसीसी, क्रोमोसोम 5 पे है एटीटी. सो दैट सीक्वेंस विल रिमेन सेम, बट नंबर ऑफ रिपीटेशन क्या हो सकता है, दैट कैन बी द वेरी, राइट. नाउ इसमें ये भी हो सकता है कि सपोज क्रोमोसोम 1 आई हैव दैट्स 5 रिपीट्स, तो कोई ऐसा और भी होगा जिसके पास क्रोमोसोम 1 में 5 रिपीट्स है, बट 23 क्रोमोसोम्स का कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो वहां पे क्या मिलेगा, वेरिएशन. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि क्रोमोसोम 1 में 5 रिपीट्स है मेरे में, तो अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो, यस इट्स पॉसिबल, अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो हैज व्हाट 5 रिपीट्स, बट क्रोमोसोम 2 में 10 है, तो इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि क्रोमोसोम 2 में अदर पर्सन, right, that also has how many repeats, 10 repeats. It can be more than that, less than that, like that. So वैसे 23 pairs of chromosomes जो है उसका जब स्टडी करते हैं, in that we can get this kind of variations that here we call polymorphism. Which one? Polymorphism. Many forms are available, right? That's why we are differ from each other, but you are somehow similar with your parent as well as siblings, right? आपके that's the some of the features जो है that either by father or the which one, mother, right? आपको घर पे बोल कि ये फीचर आपके फादर जैसे है, ये मदर जैसे है, बिकॉज सेम जीन्स कैरी राइट फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स टू दैट ऑफस्प्रिंग्स. क्लियर? सो नाउ जो रिपीट्स सीक्वेंस जो है फर्स्ट वो आइडेंटिफाइड हुए. सेकेंड, नंबर ऑफ रिपीट्स वेरी है, दैट कंसेप्ट ओवर हियर यूज्ड एंड मेक दिस एंटायर डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग टेक्निक. Clear? So first one, DNA fingerprinting. In DNA sequences, that's the repetitive DNA bases are repetitive DNAs are there, sequences are there, because in these sequences a small stretch of DNA is repeated many times. 80 is a small stretch of DNA which is repeated many times. Understood this? Next one, this repetitive DNA are separated from bulk genomic DNA. Here none of the enzyme is used, just in a test tube, that for centrifugation with solution generally we take cesium chloride, right? Cesium chloride solution लेना है, in that add that DNA sample and at a very high speed. अगर आपको भी कोई very high speed पे रोटेट करे तो क्या आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स में कुछ चेंजेस हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है? यस और नो? किसी के ये मुड़ जाना, यस और नो पॉसिबल है कि नहीं है ना? सो सेम थिंग, ये हमारा दैट्स अ मॉलिक्यूल है डीएनए. सो डीएनए को एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड, राइट, दैट रोटेट in that cesium chloride solution centrifugation process then, so that divided into fragments, now centrifugation that works on which principle? Very good. Density based gradient. So now the fragments are formed. These fragments, remember that they are those fragments, right, that have the higher molecular weight that can settle at the bottom base, and those have lower molecular weight that supine, float, buoyant form में रहेंगे. Yes or no? So on the basis of this thing, by centrifugation, 2 fractions of DNA are made, right? 2 fractions of DNA are made in that cesium chloride solution. So one thing here, that one of the part of the DNA, right, at the base, and the other part at the which one? Upper side. Upper side supernode में जो मिला, that is the genomic DNA. Which one? Genomic DNA. And this one we call satellite DNA. Which DNA? Satellite DNA further analyzed, right? Satellite DNA क्यों settle down हो गया? Because this satellite DNA, in that either it is rich in 80 meaning adenine and the thymine, or that is rich in which one? Guanine and cytosine, right? So 80 आ रहा है, या 80T like that, GC है, GGC है, GGCCG है, like that. So those over here genomic DNA में क्या था? They are in a scattered form. ATGC like that. But this satellite DNA जो fragments form हुए and fragments जो थे, right, in that fragments, that's the bottom में जो DNA part मिला, in that is either reach in GC or they are reach in AT. And due to that, their molecular weight is more compared to the which DNA? Genomic DNA, right? This thing not mentioned in your book, just mention किया है कि density base से 2 peaks मिले. The major peak, right? Major peak larger, that's the genomic DNA के लिए था, because in that the more sequences are there. But remember, they are lighter in weight. They are which one? Lighter in weight, because the ATGC जो थे वो in a scattered form. Second is a which one? That's a small peak. That scientist got the small peak. Small peak जो था, that is for satellite DNA, right? Small peak for which one? Satellite DNA. Why the name given first of all satellite DNA? Genomic DNA larger है. With that, you know our planet कौन सा? Earth, right? So Earth, on that, Earth rotates around satellite or satellite rotates around Earth? Right? Same thing with this genomic DNA. With this genomic DNA, the satellite DNA is present. रोटेट नहीं कर रहा है, बट विद दिस जीनोमिक लार्जर जीनोमिक जो डीएनए उसके साथ बीच बीच में क्या प्रेजेंट है हमारा? सैटेलाइट डीएनए, right? So that's why with reference to that, the name is given is a which DNA? Satellite DNA. It's a small stretch. Planet is bigger or the satellite is bigger? Planet is bigger, right? This is also the reason that small peak, the name given is a which one? Satellite, right? So satellite DNA, this one we call over here. Now, so first remember the scientists did what over here? That's the density based centrifugation with the help of cesium chloride and got the 2 fractions. One fraction major for that bulk genomic DNA and the small peak that is for the which one over here? Satellite DNA. Then they further analyze this satellite DNA. Satellite DNA further analyzed. Then first of all here this thing is mentioned that DNA can be of 2 types, genomic DNA and the satellite DNA. Satellite DNA, in that repetitive sequences are present, because I told GC होगा, AT या फिर GC reach or AT reach, in short that. So satellite DNA generally normally do not code for any protein. It's just repetitive sequence. Large portion of human genome, large portion because these repetitive sequences are many in number. That's why I mentioned over here large portion. Otherwise mainly bulk genomic DNA. Now satellite DNA when further analyzed, कि उसमें कौन से fragments है, कौन से type के है, क्या है? Then these are the 3 major aspects to differentiate these fragments of satellite DNA, right? Satellite DNA further analyzed on the basis of 3 features. First feature, their base composition. Base composition, either they are AT reach or which one? GC reach. एक ये था. Next, length of this segment. Length of this segment like this कि here A, T, C, G, G. Right? Next यहाँ पे है repetition में A, T, G, G. Right? So length of the segment, this entire segment will be repeat for so many times. Here this entire segment will repeat for so many times, right? So now the length of the segment, remember how many times repeat नहीं लिया, यहाँ पे just कितना दिया है? Length of the segment, right? Some of the segment that can be made by the 6 base pair, some may be 2 base pair, some may be 100 base pairs, 50 base pairs like that. Now, third aspect is number of repetitive units. First, वो किससे बने हैं? Their composition. Either they are AT reach or which one? GC reach. Second, कि कितने nucleotides है in that repetitive unit segment. And third, how many times the sequences get repeated. Right? On the basis of these 3 aspects, that satellite DNA is divisible into, that's the 2 things. First, microsatellite DNA and second, that is mini satellite DNA. Right? One is a which one? Micro and other is a which one? Mini satellite DNA. Microsatellite DNA and meaning on the basis of this thing is divided. माइक्रो में जो बेस पेयर यूनिट होता है, जो रिपीट होता है, दैट इज 1 to 6 बेस पेयर का होता है. कितना? 1 to 6 बेस पेयर. बट जो मिनी सैटेलाइट है, हियर कंसीडर 10 to 60, राइट? मिनी में कितना होता है? 10 to 60 का एक सेगमेंट होता है विच कैन रिपीट. समटाइम्स इट कैन बी एक्चुअली अप टू 100 बेस पेयर्स, राइट? ये भी फाइंड आउट किया है कि 10 to 60 नहीं बट 100 बेस पेयर्स के भी रिपीटेटिव यूनिट्स है. सो अगर आपको कोई रिपीटेटिव यूनिट्स मिला, ह्यूमन जीनोम को स्टडी कर रहे हो, राइट, या किसी और ऑर्गेनिज्म के जीनोम को स्टडी कर रहे हो, इन दैट रिपीटेटिव सीक्वेंसेस विल बी देयर. और वो रिपीटेटिव सीक्वेंस इन दैट जस्ट मान लो ATCG रिपीट हो रहा है, सो दैट यू विल कीप इट इन अ विच वन, मिनी और माइक्रो? माइक्रो. 1 to 6 बेस पे रिपीट्स हो रहे हैं, माइक्रो. मोर देन 10, राइट? 10 to 60 जनरली ये मिला है. सो 10 to 60 अगर रिपीट हो रहा है अप टू 100, दैट यू शुड कीप इट इन अ विच वन? मिनी सैटेलाइट. नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ मिनी सैटेलाइट्स जो है, तो आप सोचिए, आप मान लो कि आप डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग टेक्निक डेवलप करें, है ना? सो विच वन यू शुड पिक, जिसमें स्मॉल स्ट्रेच है या फिर थोड़ा लॉन्गर है, मल्टीपल रिपीटेशंस दोनों में है. हियर रिपीटेशंस आर लिमिटेड, बट हियर द रिपीटेशंस जो है दैट आर फॉर द फ्यू टाइम्स एंड हियर द रिपीटेशंस फॉर मेनी टाइम्स, राइट? सो नाउ माइक्रो एंड मिनी सैटेलाइट्स है, विच वन यू शुड चूज फॉर डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग? बोलिए, माइक्रो या मिनी? मिनी सैटेलाइट डीएनए, isn't it? Because in that जितना लॉन्ग सेगमेंट है, यस और नो, उसमें आपको वेरिएशन ज्यादा मिल सकती है या शॉर्ट में वेरिएशन? लॉन्ग, राइट? मान लो 80 का जस्ट 2 बेसिस का वेरिएशन, दैट्स अ रिपीटेटिव सीक्वेंस है, तो 80 में आपको कितने वेरिएशंस मिल सकते हैं? आइदर AT, AA और TT. Gradually when mutation occur and variation occur, then this thing, राइट? बट अगर लॉन्ग सेगमेंट है तो उसमें वेरिएशंस मिलने के चांसेस क्या है? मोर देन दैट, राइट? सो मिनी सैटेलाइट दैट थिंग, एंड उसके रिपीटेटिव नंबर्स भी क्या है? मोर, राइट? रिपीटेटिव यूनिट्स के नंबर भी क्या है? मोर इन नंबर. सेगमेंट भी लॉन्ग है. दैट्स व्हाई दैट एलेक्स जेफरी, फादर ऑफ डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग, Alex Jeffrey, remember scientist name Alex Jeffrey, याद रहेगा ना? अभी जेरी से आपका फ्रेंड जेफरी, है ना? सो Alex Jeffrey, remember Alex Jeffrey found this thing that satellite DNA में माइक्रो मिनी है. मिनी सैटेलाइट, in that the certain sequences are there, they are repeated many in times, and that mini satellite, another that sequence is name given VNTR, right? So microsatellite DNA does not used for that VNTR. Mini satellite DNA used for the which one? VNTR. VNTR क्या है? V, variable. V stands for what? Variable. N, number. T, tandem. Tandem meaning what? In a sequence, right? Sequence में जो होता है ना उसको tandem बोलते हैं. Variable, number, tandem, repeats. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? Variable number, tandem repeats, sequence repeats, meaning sequence same है but variable कहाँ पे? Number of repeats. I told you chromosome 1 same, we have the same sequence repeating, but that the number, right, that's the repeating numbers are vary or they are also same? Vary. So that's why mini satellite DNA, because उसमें more variations are there, more polymorphism can be seen. That's why this mini satellite DNA used as a which one? VNTR. VNTR full form? Repeat. Variable number tandem repeats. Clear है यहाँ तक? Variable number tandem repeats, right? So first अब तक जो हमने किया just briefing. Starting, that's a which one? DNA fingerprinting. In that DNA fingerprinting, for that, for which sequences? Repetitive DNA or as the part of the DNA which code for protein? ये पहले separation clear. Repetitive DNA जो है For that, to identify this thing, just which method is used? Centrifugation, right? Centrifugation by using which solution? Cesium chloride. In that, the scientists got the two fractions, the bottom in the palette, which one? Satellite, because that is rich in a particular sequence. So molecular weight is more in that. Either they are GC rich or the which one? AT rich, right? Compared to that genomic DNA. Genomic DNA, in that the sequences are there, no doubt, but they are in a scattered form. So the lighter molecular weight is there. So they remain in a suspense. Next one, that satellite DNA further analyzed. So in that two parts are there. Those have just that's a 1 to 6 base pair. उसको कहाँ पे रखा? Micro. But 10 to 60 वाला mini satellite. 10 to 60 in that further analysis. In that this okay, this segment is generally found near the which one? ये भी find out किया. Centromere, you know, non-coding, heterochromatin, and a centromere and telomeres over their mini satellite DNA part is there. Right, so जो fragments मिले थे वो satellite DNA में, that is from the which part? Telomeres and the centromeres. Right. Next one, after that, so mini satellite DNA, in that long segment can repeat or short segment? Long. And that can be repeated for many times or few times compared to this micro. That's why mini satellites further used for making which technique? DNA finger. And that mini satellites we call, that sequences we call VNTR. VNTR full form? Repeat. Variable number of tandem repeats. यहाँ तक आपको first clear है? Yes or no? Now, so before going into that detail, can you tell me that CID तो देखा ही होगा, है ना? मूवीज में भी ऐसा दिखाते हैं ना, क्राइम सीन्स के ऊपर मूवीज होते हैं. सो इन दैट कैन यू टेल मी कि अगर वन ऑफ द प्लेस इज देयर कि जहाँ पे कुछ मर्डर हुआ लाइक दैट, तो कौन से सैंपल्स कलेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम? चलो फिंगरप्रिंट भी लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट, हेयर्स, नेल्स. नेल्स क्यों? नेल्स में से डीएनए मिलेगा. Nails one thing in that this thing, and even that during that fighting time, अगर वो स्क्रीन अदर पर्सन के स्क्रीन को क्या कर रहा है? स्क्रैच, राइट? तो उसके स्किन सेल्स भी यहाँ पे मिल सकते. समझ में आ रहा है? राइट. सो नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट और कौन से सैंपल हो सकते हैं? ब्लड, राइट? ब्लड इवन रेप केसेस के टाइम पे दैट इज द सीमेन, right? So that thing is there over here. These are the samples basically, right? Samples which can help to making this DNA fingerprinting and identify that अगर victim है, suspect है, कोई भी है, इसको identify करने में help करता है. Clear? Now, DNA polymorphism. So what is DNA polymorphism? टेक्निक अभी हमारा बाकी है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. जस्ट हमने अभी तक के सैटेलाइट डीएनए, उसमें भी मिनी सैटेलाइट डीएनए यूज करते हैं. दैट वी हैव लर्न अप टू हियर. नाउ व्हाट इज डीएनए पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म? इमेजिन 1000 पीपल इन अ विलेज, राइट? देयर डीएनए इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. यस और नो? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच लाइन? 99.9%. But at some places in their DNA, small differences exist. Yes, right? Now, so for example, at one particular DNA position, person A में एक particular point है जहाँ पे एडेनिन है, B में भी क्या है? एडेनिन. C में क्या मिला वहाँ पे? D में ग्वानिन. तो ये दो में वेरिएशंस मिल रहा है, राइट? एट अ वन पर्टिकुलर साइट. तब साइट ये भी ले सकते हो कि लाइक क्रोमोसोम नंबर 1 है, 1 का फर्स्ट ही पोजीशन ले लो. 1 का डीएनए सीक्वेंस स्टार्ट करो, उसका फर्स्ट ही पोजीशन पे हमें ये वेरिएशंस मिलता है. कितने मेंबर्स है? 1000. उसमें इन सम ऑफ देम दैट इज दी मेजोरिटी में एक्चुअली क्या मिला? ए. आउट ऑफ 5, 3 में ए एंड 2 में क्या मिला? जी. हियर ए एंड जी आर 2 वेरिएंट्स. यस और नो? यही दो मिले और कुछ नहीं मिला. सो दिस टू बी कंसिडर एज अ व्हिच वन? वेरिएंट्स एट द सेम डीएनए लोकेशन. This variation is called what? DNA polymorphism, right? जो SNP था, remember क्या था SNP full form? सिंगल न्यूक्लियोटाइड पॉलीमॉर्फिक, तो ये भी तो सिंगल न्यूक्लियोटाइड ही हो रहा है, right? So earlier class also we have learned that this type of polymorphism is seen in that our entire human genome in a population when we compare the different individuals with each other, right? So when any point at a same location in that DNA, when you find out कि this type of variation, अगर सब में मान लो कि G G G G G है, तो ये variation में count होगा कि नहीं होगा? This is not DNA polymorphism, right? But at one particular point, किसी में A मिला, next G मिल रहा है, so this thing leads to what? DNA variations, DNA polymorphism. Many forms can be formed. Understood this DNA polymorphism. Next one. So this DNA polymorphism when the variant is sufficiently common in the population. Next one in that polymorphism variation at the genetic level arises due to what? Mutation. Simple meaning अगर हम देखें, so mutation is equal to what? A change in DNA sequence. You know that change in genotype that leads to change in phenotype. So suppose originally, यहाँ पे एक example रखा है मैंने, that suppose originally the DNA sequence is this one, ATGCCA, right? तो ड्यू टू म्यूटेशन यहाँ पे कोई चेंज मिला आपको? A, T, G, बट C की जगह पे यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? T. साइटोसिन की जगह पे क्या आ रहा है? थाइमीन, राइट? तो C की जगह पे क्या आया? थाइमीन. दैट लीड्स इंडिकेट्स व्हिच प्रोसेस? म्यूटेशन. कि यहाँ पे दैट्स लाइक म्यूटेशन अकर, दैट्स व्हाई द जीनोटाइप क्या हो गया? चेंज. So it is that if this change is inherited and becomes common in a population, can become a what? Polymorphism. If inherited, which word is given? If inherited. Because हमारे अगर कोई somatic cell में, अभी हम next topic वही करेंगे, right? If we have two types of cells. Which are the two types of cell? One is a somatic cell, other is a germ cells gamete, right? सो अगर लीवर में कोई म्यूटेशन हो रहा है, लीवर के सेल्स में, स्किन के सेल्स में, so this one that not going to be, that's a carry forward inherited to their offspring. But germ cells, gametes में अगर कुछ म्यूटेशन हुआ, so वो directly zygote में दिखेगा, zygote to that next offsprings. Yes or no? Right? So somatic cell का mutation and germ cell mutation both are different, right? Which one shows the more chances to get inherited from parents to offspring? Germ cells. Compared to which one? Somatic cell mutation. Right? So here, if this change is inherited, मान लो germ cell में ये हुआ, right? So gradually, this one, single individual में हुआ है, yes or no? Over here, cytosine की जगह पे क्या आ गया? Thymine. So gradually उसके offsprings में अभी हमें क्या दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा? Thymine instead of which one? Cytosine. So पहले वो प्लेस पे क्या था? Cytosine. Now that's the Thymine. ये हम एक इंडिविजुअल की बात कर रहे हैं, yes or no? बट हम पॉपुलेशन में देखें तो एक्चुअल तो वहां पे क्या होता है? Cytosine. But now this thing change. ग्रेजुअली ये इसकी ऑफस्प्रिंग जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन, वहां पे हमें थाइमिन भी मिलेगा. सो एट वन पोजीशन वी गेट टू फॉर्म्स, आइदर साइटोसिन और थाइमिन, आइदर साइटोसिन और विच वन? थाइमिन. समझ में आ रहा है? यस और नो? सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस कंडीशन वी कॉल डीएनए पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म, राइट? नॉर्मल केस, नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन GAG कोडन है, यस और नो? बट सिकल सेल एनीमिक पर्सन का पॉपुलेशन का देखे तो वहीं पे हमें क्या मिलता है? वो हमारा mRNA है. बट डीएनए की बात करें, याद है? GTG, एंड वहां पे था GAG. तो थाइमिन एडेनिन चेंज हो गए. सो इन सम ऑफ द मेंबर्स, राइट, सपोज यहाँ पे हम है, मे बी फ्यू ऑफ देम सफरिंग फ्रॉम सिकल सेल एनीमिया, तो उनके जीनोम में क्या मिलेगा? वहां पे A. जो नॉर्मल है उसमें क्या मिलेगा? सेम पोजीशन पे T. DNA polymorphism. Clear? Understood this thing? Next one. After that, mutation can occur in somatic cells or germ cells. Somatic cells, these are the body cells. Example, skin, muscle, liver. Suppose now mutation occur in a which cell? Skin cell. Normal skin cell का DNA ये है. ATGC. म्यूटेटेड स्किन सेल में है ATGT. कहां पे डिफरेंस आया? लास्ट में आया, राइट. दिस म्यूटेशन जनरली रिमेन्स दैट पर्सन्स बॉडी. क्यों ऐसा लिखा? Because this will not transfer from their parents to, means this one cannot be transferred, this thing, to their further offspring. So that's why here mention this mutation generally remains in that person's body. It is not normally passed to their children. अभी next जो है, this one for somatic. Next for which one? Germ cells. Germ cells, so these are the cells that produce what? Gametes. In humans, germ cells, sperm or egg. Suppose a mutation occur in a germ cell. Germ cell mutation, so either sperm or egg may carry that mutation. Fertilization, by fertilization zygote, zygotes and new baby will be formed. So this child receives that mutation, yes or no? Yes. Right? Child can potentially pass it to the next generation. Right? Child can potentially pass to this, the which one? Next generation. Right? So by that where the mutation, right, certain mutations, ये भी बोलते हैं ना, that certain cancers are that's hereditary, है ना. अभी तो that some of the researches that reveal that कि even diabetic भी है वो inherited में consider करते हैं, but generally that is depends on our lifestyle, right. Next one. Why is a germ cell mutation important rather than that somatic cell? So example, suppose a person has a mutation in a germ cell. Mutation normal allele A and the new allele जो form हो रहा है, that is the G1. If that person has a child and the child receives the which allele? Yes or no? Right? Gametes are formed. Yes or no? है ना. गैमेट्स रैंडम होते हैं या स्पेसिफिक होते हैं? क्रॉसिंग ओवर प्रोसेस. यस और नो? रैंडम. सो इन दैट केस, if that person has a child and child receives which allele? G allele. So this allele transfer from parents to their offspring. G allele mutated था या नॉर्मल? Mutated. चाइल्ड ने भी क्या रिसीव किया? G allele, right? So the child now carries as a which one? Variant. Right? Child carries as a which one? Variant. If the child later has children, the variant can be passed further. So mutation, this germ cell mutation we consider as a which one? Inherited, that pass from generation to generation, may become common in population. Clear? इतना somatic cell में नहीं होता है जितना which one? Germ cell mutation. क्लियर. अगर गैमेट्स ही एबनॉर्मल है, राइट, विच वन? गैमेट्स एबनॉर्मल, मच मोर म्यूटेटेड इज देयर. सिंगल म्यूटेशन नहीं, बट विच वन? मच मोर म्यूटेशन इज देयर. सो यू नो दैट सर्टेन बेबीज आर डेवलप, है ना. दैट इज विद द विच वन? विदाउट लिम्स. किसी को डिफम्यूटिज्म होता है, तो वो सब म्यूटेशंस अगर हो रहे जम से, उसकी वजह से. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन. Suppose mutation causes a severe problem that prevents a person from reproducing, right? That mutations occur in that reproductive cells so that it prevents a person from which process? Reproducing. In that case, mutation, person cannot, due to the mutation, person cannot reproduce. Mutation is unlikely to be passed to the next generation, meaning passed होगा ये mutation in, because can't able to reproduce. They can't, this kind of person cannot be able to form their own offsprings. तो वहां से ही वो mutation क्या हो रहा है? Stop. So it does not spread easily through the population. But suppose the mutation does not seriously affect the which one? Reproduction. Then that mutation can be further passed to their offsprings. Gradually that offspring, one generation to next generation, so many generation, and by that way we get this mutation in a one population. Yes or no? When we count all generation, then we get this mutation in that entire population. Mutations can spread. Imagine a harmless DNA variation affects at a non-coding region. Understand now the next. You have to think like that कि harmless लिखा है यहाँ पे, meaning if this one does not cause any kind of disease, right? So mutation भी कहाँ पे हो रहा है? नॉन कोडिंग रीजन में हो रहा है, राइट? सो पर्सन ए हैज द वेरिएशन. नाउ that variations can pass. That person has children. Some children inherit it. Some children लिखा है because crossing over में वो जा रहा है सीक्वेंस या नहीं. That's why mention over here. Some children inherit it. They have children. More people inherit it. Yes or no? Non-coding region में भी mutation हो सकता है as well as which one? Coding region also, right? Non-coding region in that suppose one person has that variation कि उसके non-coding part में variation आ गया, mutation हो गया. Now as and when their offsprings are formed, some of the offspring receive that. जो भी offspring ने receive किया that can further pass that mutation to their offspring. Generation after generation, right? This mutation can be passed. Ultimately, entire again the population becomes with which one? Mutated allele, right? Next, after many generation, the variant become relatively common, right? Relatively क्या हो जाएगा? Common. So right now, VNTR sequence ये नॉन कोडिंग में हो रहा है, yes or no? है ना? सपोज वो VNTR का ही पार्ट है, तो वन थिंग ऐसा भी हो सकता है that one of the site at one of the site GC ऐसे this is the one unit which can be repeated for so many times, right? कौन सा सीक्वेंस है? GC repeated for so many times. Now just at one point only, 100 times repeat हो रहा है, but 100 में से just one time जो एक है जहां पे वो रिपीटेशन सेगमेंट प्रेजेंट है, यहाँ पे वो बन जाता है GGC इंस्टेड ऑफ C वो क्या बन गया? G, राइट? सो नाउ ये क्या इमीडिएटली एक्सप्रेस हो जाएगा? यस और नो? दिस वन कोड फॉर एनी प्रोटीन? No. This one generally needs for the which one? That DNA fingerprinting? Yes or no? Gradually, ये सारे जब ये हो this type of mutations occur are very gradually. Long duration is required to accumulate these variations and understand that the sequence considered as a mutation DNA polymorphism, right? Population है, so many generation is needed for this thing. Next one. Why does allelic sequence variation means? First, understand the which one for that allele. The N allele is an alternative form of gene. We have learned. Yes or no? कौन से चैप्टर में? Genetics, right? Or DNA sequence at the same locus. Suppose that particular locus we have allele 1. One allele पे कौन सा न्यूक्लियोटाइड है? एडेनाइन. And allele 2 पे क्या है? guanine, right? So now this is the site over here. So adenine से यहाँ पे क्या बन गया? Guanine. Again that cause what? Variation. So this much you have learned for the which one? Polymorphism, and other is the which one? Variation. Variation and polymorphism, between them means variations leads to simply we can say that polymorphism. जहाँ पे ये variations आएगा that leads to which one? Polymorphism. Simple this thing. But variation occur at the same site or different site? Variations occur जिसको आप polymorphism के फॉर्म में काउंट, that should be at the same site. याद है? Few minutes before I told you कि suppose chromosome 1 ही है हमारे sequence, right? Same है, right? But person A has A, एक population का example दिया था ना, 1000 members से person A1 has A, उसी के other person has G, A, G, G, याद है? So this one we call as a which one? DNA polymorphism, right? Variations आए, that's why variation leads to what? Polymorphism. Clear? Now, next thing that here, what does frequency greater than 0.01 mean? In your book mention this thing, right? That what does frequency greater than 0.01? Frequency 0.01, उसका percentage कितना होगा? 1%. Frequency is a percentage. Frequency is a percentage, yes or no? No, frequency से percentage find out करना है. 0.01 का percentage कितना होगा? 1, isn't it? सो 0.01 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, अगर परसेंटेज में काउंट करेंगे तो 1%। क्लियर? तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे दिया है दैट allele A in that first of all DNA polymorphism when an allele occurs in the population at a frequency greater than 1%। ये हाईलाइट करके रखना फॉर MCQ that DNA polymorphism, राइट? DNA polymorphism हम इसको कब कंसीडर करेंगे, राइट? जब फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें क्या मिले, ग्रेटर देन 1%। ग्रेटर देन 1% अगर हमें वेरिएशंस मिलते हैं, then we call it's a which one, DNA polymorphism, right? Next one, but अगर lesser than 1%, lesser than 1% तो उसको हम सिंपल म्यूटेशन में काउंट करते हैं, right? Mutation that leads to variations and variations leads to polymorphism. बट कब उसको हम म्यूटेशन स्टेज में रखेंगे, कब उसको हम पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म स्टेज में? सो पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म कब, जब हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना मिले, ग्रेटर देन 1%। फ्रीक्वेंसी का अगर देखें तो ग्रेटर देन 0.01, फ्रीक्वेंसी के बेस पे देखें तो ग्रेटर देन 0.01, तब जाके हमें we can consider this mutation now we call as a DNA polymorphism. Now, so example given, एक population है 1000 people. In that, allele A present in 990, allele G is present in a 10 persons, 10 people. Now, so frequency हमें find out करनी है, right? तो frequency के लिए formula ये याद रखना, जितने variations मिल रहा है, that numbers divided by total population into 100, right? Variations divided by total into 100. When you do this thing, then you will get the answer is a 1%, right? So if the number increases 20, G 10%, 10% से अभी तो अभी G 10% में मिल रहा था, now consider 20 में, right? So can you able to kind of count this thing? कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाओगे? 20 divided by 1000 into yes or no? Then population that will remain same. टोटल तो सेम ही है ना, जस्ट अभी 10 की जगह पे आपको 20 मिल रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? 10 की जगह पे अभी ये अलील कितने परसेंट में मिल रहा है आपको? 20। टोटल पॉपुलेशन 1000 का ही है। नाउ ओवर हियर दिस विल बी चेंज, यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? 980, हियर 20। समझ में आया? क्लियर है, राइट? सो 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 इनटू 100 दैट गिव्स 2%। सो 2% वो मोर देन क्या हुआ? 1%, ग्रेटर देन 1%, दैट यू कंसिडर एज अ विच वन? DNA polymorphism. This thing you have to learn for the NEET exam. Clear? NEET exam के लिए this type of counting based MCQ you should learn this. Understood this? Yes or no? Now think about that के like 10 की जगह पे सिर्फ 5 है, तो फिर आंसर क्या आता? हाँ पहले आंसर बताओ। 10 की जगह पे हियर 995, 5 में सिर्फ आपको वेरिएशन मिल रहा है, राइट? सो टोटल परसेंटेज कितना होगा? या पॉइंट which is so that consider as a simple mutation, not DNA polymorphism. Understood this? राइट? ये फॉर्मूला है जिसके बेस से हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म है या म्यूटेशन है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाई इजंट एवरी म्यूटेशन कॉल्ड पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म? जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया वही है यहाँ पे सेम। इमेजिन अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ नाउ 10,000 people, a new mutation occurs in only 1%, है ना? 1% लिखा या person? Carefully read that. 1%. So now formula क्या बनेगा? Variation in one individual, 10,000 into frequency, percentage क्या मिलेगा? 0.01%, which is more than 1, less than 1. So consider as a which one? Mutation, rare variant or mutation. Next, अभी 1 की जगह पे यहाँ पे 200 कंसिडर करो कि 200 में आपको वेरिएशंस मिल रहा है, देन और म्यूटेशन हो रहा है, तो आंसर क्या होगा? हाँ, आंसर बोलना है फॉर्मूला 200 डिवाइडेड बाय इंटू, क्या आंसर आएगा? हाँ, 2%, बाकी के जीरो भी कट होंगे ना, राइट? So answer 2%, which is greater than 1. So consider this one, consider as a which one? DNA polymorphism. Clear? Next one. Why is polymorphism more common in non-coding DNA? Coding DNA that codes for protein. For example, already हमने learn किया DNA to mRNA to protein. Suppose now mutation changes in a important part of a gene. It could change DNA, altered mRNA, protein, and possible effects of the organism. Therefore, harmful mutation in important coding regions may be removed from the population over generation through which one? Natural selection. Natural selection we will learn in the next chapter, evolution. Right? Next one, एक simple है, like one thing, thalassemia में minor है ना? One person is thalassemia minor. And other natural selection का एक simplest example, one is that's the thalassemia minor, that is MN, जो हमने MCQ solve किया था. So thalassemia minor should marry with non-thalassemic person or thalassemia major or thalassemia minor to 100% form normal offsprings. Non-thalassemic, yes or no? Right? अगर इसका marriage thalassemia minor से भी हुआ, so that 25% chances are that the offspring can become thalassemic major. So this is the natural selection process. This is the which one? Selection process. समझ में आ रहा है? So gradually that alleles can be removed from the population. Understood this, right? Next one, that non-coding DNA does not directly code for protein. A mutation there have a little or no immediate effect on the individual's reproductive ability. Non-coding, obviously, in that reproductive ability that cannot be altered due to the mutation occurring with sequence non-coding. Non-coding generally that is for the which one? Either it can form tRNA, rRNA, yes or no? Yes or no? बोलिए. Which one? Yes. So non-coding that is present in which part? Centromere. Other that's a which one? Telomere. Other is a which one? और एक आपने लर्न किया हुआ है कि जिसमें नॉन कोडिंग, एक वर्ड बोलो, नहीं एक वर्ड बोलोगी तो आपको पता, इंटरवेनिंग सीक्वेंसेस, इंट्रॉन्स. दिस आर आल्सो व्हिच वन? नॉन कोडिंग, राइट? सो दिस ऑल आर प्रेजेंट इन द व्हिच पार्ट? नॉन कोडिंग डीएनए, राइट? सो जस्ट ये लाइन आपको लर्न करनी है. नॉन कोडिंग डीएनए, राइट, दैट डज नॉट शो इफ देयर म्यूटेशन अकर, इट डज नॉट शोज इमीडिएट इफेक्ट ऑन इट. Next one, why is polymorphism important for genetic mapping? Polymorphism we have seen, one that is the main role for that जो variations है ना, that variations that helpful to understand DNA fingerprinting even, right? So polymorphism का एक major significant process है DNA fingerprinting. And second जो है that is the which one? Gene mapping. You know gene mapping concept given by whom? Alfred Sturtevant, right? Link genes, distantly linked gene है या nearly, right? That thing is given by Alfred Sturtevant. So now, why is polymorphism important for genetic mapping? That tracking inheritance pattern as well as measuring the chromosome distance. अभी वो कैसे करते हैं that we are not going into detail, but these are the two benefits to understand the gene mapping by forming which one? Polymorphism, right? So polymorphism से gene mapping अगर कर रहे हैं तो gene mapping से हमें क्या मिलेगा? Tracking the inheritance pattern as well as which one? That is chromosome distance. Next one, Alex Jeffrey, right? Scientist name Alex Jeffrey. ये सब पहले जो the knowledge which is required to understand the which one the steps of DNA fingerprinting. So पहले हमने learn किया repetitive DNA. It's a part of our human genome. Repetitive DNA में भी आया satellite. Satellite DNA में भी two parts, micro and mini, used as a VNTR. And वही VNTR से क्या बनेगा हमारा DNA fingerprinting, right? VNTR में होता है polymorphism. क्या है? Or that is in entire actually satellite DNA polymorphism is seen, whether it's a micro or mini. But more polymorphism is seen in case of which one? Mini satellite. So now this is very, very important topic for board point of view, NEET, good set, sequence based MCQ or the theory. Very, very important one. So first, the scientist name, remember, DNA fingerprinting technique was initially developed by Alex Jeffrey. Alex Jeffrey is also known as the father of DNA fingerprinting, right? Worldwide. इंडिया के लिए जो इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइम जिन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया उन साइंटिस्ट का नेम है, इंडिया से ये पता चल, लालजी नेम है उनका. क्या है? लालजी, राइट? नेक्स्ट, he used the satellite DNA as what? Probe. We will learn what is probe. That shows very high degree of polymorphism. Now I hope you are aware about polymorphism term. Yes or no? Next, it was called as VNTR. Full form? The technique as used earlier involved which blot? Southern blot. See, three types of blotting techniques are there. Southern, northern and western. कौन से तीन है? Southern, northern and western, right? This blotting, have you ever heard about blotting? Blot करना क्या यूज? Blotting paper. पानी नीचे है बट आप blotting paper रखते हो, पूरा blot हो जाता है. Yes or no? है ना? So here also we will learn that at one step हम DNA fragment suppose यहाँ पे है, पेपर की हेल्प से उसको from the gel medium taken on the paper उसको पूरा blot कर लेते हैं. क्या करते हैं? Blot. So the technique which helps to use, remember the NEET, the technique which helps to use to blot the DNA fragments, to blot the DNA, that's we call southern, right? Which one? Southern blotting for the DNA, northern blotting for RNA, northern blotting लिखा हो तो RNA, and western blotting for the which molecule? Proteins. All proteins. अभी वो कैसे है that we will learn, but blotting में याद रखना, northern पूछे तो RNA, southern पूछे तो and western पूछे तो protein. अभी के लिए इतना. Clear? Now the one by one the step. First one, that is isolation of DNA. Yes or no? First we need what? DNA, right? Now entire DNA can be run by any. That's the system. Last class we have learned. It has to be cut into fragments, isn't it? वो fragment overlapping regions form करना, this thing remember for human genome, वो वहां पे complete हो गया. Now again the new DNA, same enzyme to cut and make a fragments. Which enzyme? Restriction endonuclease enzyme. So restriction endonuclease enzyme digest means broken down this DNA into the fragments. Clear? So first क्या है? DNA sample, entire DNA. That DNA is cut into many fragments by using what? Which enzyme? Restriction endonuclease enzyme. Next one. Once the enzymes are formed, these enzymes should be this all DNA fragment. Once the enzymes digestion process done to that DNA, all fragments are formed. These are of same size, different size. Which one? Different size, yes or no? Right? So here one of the machine is there, right? Lab में ये machine होते हैं. In that this machine first of all we call gel electrophoresis. Which one? Gel electrophoresis. Here this is the one of the plate is there connected with that system, right? Over there electric current is passed, right? Once the system is ready we have to just switch on, right? For few minutes and then switch off, the process will stop. एक particular time decide है कि 10 to 15 minutes में ये process हो जाता है. So now in this plate, first we fill agarose gel. You know agar gel, agarose gel, right? So agarose gel we have to fill up over here and give some time to settle it. Then next one, tell me DNA is a positively charged or negative? कौन सा positively charged? Anshi, right? Why you consider DNA is a negatively charged? Phosphate and hydroxyl group OH, isn't it? 5 prime 3 prime पे वही है. So that's why we consider DNA is a negatively charged molecule, right? So now over here the two ends are there. One is a negative side, other is a positive side. Here this is the negative charge, here the which one? Positive. Now once this agar gel gets settled, right, then you know ice cream के scoop करते हम, right? Same way ice cream के जितना बड़ा scoop नहीं करना है, but very minor. Over here in this place we have to scoop it in this position over here, right? यहाँ से थोड़ा सा हमें scoop करना है तो एक space create होगा, right? That's we call, इसको lab की language में बोलूँ तो well बोलते हैं, you know कुआं? Yes. That well, right? So now over here this type of the wells are formed, and in that with the help of our micropipettes, chemistry lab में अभी use करते हैं, that's not a micropipette, that is different, right? Smaller molecules को handle कर, so just with the help of micropipettes we will pour our DNA sample over here. Clear? DNA samples को क्या किया? Pour. Now next one, as and when DNA samples get poured, we have to switch on this machine so that electric current apply over here, and then this here whatever DNA that's the fragments are there, this DNA fragment shows the movement. That shows what? Movement. और DNA है हमारा सीधा है ना? So it's not like that कि यहाँ पे जो DNA sample pour किया है, it will run in this way, straight line, in this way. Clear? Now next is a which one? So next I have to pour this first of all DNA on which side? Negative charge or positive charge? DNA is a negatively charged, yes or no? तो कहाँ पे रखना चाहिए? Yes, negatively charged over here. The make that well and pour the DNA sample. Why? Because जब yes, that attracts towards the which one? Positively charged, right? Now मान लो कि ऐसे 1, 2 and the 3 fragments है हमारे DNA में right now. So these 3 fragments, this is the A site, B site and the C site. Positive के side पे जो है, right, that is the C. Negative के side पे जो है, this will be your A site, and in between that is the which one? B site. बोलिए, clear? Now, can you tell me this fragment I will get at which position? A, B or C? बोलिए, हाँ? C. Simple logic. The molecular weight is more. जिसका molecular weight more है, that can be run at a slow, right? That run at a slow speed. जिसका molecular weight कम है, right? The molecular weight is less. It can run at a very faster. तो अभी आप बताइए कौन सा molecule आपको C में मिलेगा? Which one? This one you will get at the C, right? Lesser number of molecules in this fragment, so it can run at a very faster rate. It's because उसका weight क्या हो गया है? कम. Next one, then this one, and then lastly larger fragment. Clear? So what is the use of this gel electrophoresis? What is the use of this gel electrophoresis? क्या इससे help मिला हमें? बोलिए. हाँ? Anyone? इससे क्या किया हमने? यहाँ पे क्या ऐड किया था? DNA. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिला हमें? हाँ, DNA फ्रैगमेंट्स भी थे यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे भी फ्रैगमेंट्स ही मिले. बट क्या डिफरेंस है? Fragments are separated according to their smaller fragment, larger fragment, yes or no? right? So fragment separation, remember which one is needed? Third step, fragment separation. By using which technique? Gel electrophoresis. Which one? Gel electrophoresis. So this will be our third step in that. See, separation of DNA fragments by electrophoresis, or we consider as a which one? Gel electrophoresis. Clear? Now, understand the next step. जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस, राइट, जैसे ही हम स्विच ऑफ कर देंगे ना, राइट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाई द जेल इज यूज्ड, पहले वो कंप्लीट करेंगे. बिकॉज जेल जो है, इन दैट अ पर्टिकुलर, दैट्स द साइज, जेल के जो केमिकल्स है बिटवीन देम, द साइज इज देयर, porous size is there, so that the molecules can easily cross that. Molecules can easily cross that. Now the next is a which one? So molecules can easily cross, diffused over here from one point to which one? Other point. One point to other point, the molecules can easily diffused. Understood this thing? Next, that's why the agarose gel is used to separate out DNA fragments, RNA fragments, or the which one? Protein fragments. Clear है? So now, as and when we switch off that machine, right, on है तब तक वो proper एक ही line में है, but जैसे ही switch off कर दिया, then it start diffusing here and there in that system, right? So next is a which one? Once we get the fragments, gel is a transparent. DNA आपको वैसे दिखेगा भी नहीं. DNA is also in a transparent form that runs into the which one? That gel electrophoresis. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम लिमिट है, वो टाइम लिमिट्स में वो प्रोसेस हो जाता है. So like 15 minutes, after 15 minutes we have to switch off that. And then immediately जो fragments है, उन agarose gel का जो block है, over there, one of this special paper membrane, nylon membrane बोलेंगे या फिर nitrocellulose paper. Which one? Nylon membrane or nitrocellulose paper. That strip we have to keep it on it. मान लो कि आपने एक हाथ में मेहंदी लगा है, दूसरे हाथ में कोई नहीं कर रहा है आपको हेल्प, यू हैव टू जस्ट डू दिस, राइट? तो एक पैटर्न जो है वो दूसरे हाथ में आ जाए क्या? नहीं, राइट? यस और जो एक है उससे सिंपल ऑन वन थिंग, यहाँ पे लाइक आप कोई पैटर्न बना रहे हो, जस्ट उसको प्रेस कर दो, प्रेस करोगे, ब्लॉट कर रहे हो, सो यू कैन गेट द इम्प्रिंट ऑन अदर ऑल्सो, right? That logic, simple. So यहाँ पे this nylon membrane or the nitrocellulose paper is used to blot this, because agarose gel तो machine बंद कर दिया तो वो तो diffuse हो जाएगा. We need that fragmented, that's a DNA segments over here for further process. अभी further process कहाँ पे होगा? वो nylon membrane और nitrocellulose paper के ऊपर. बोलिए, clear है? Here that's a transferring or blotting of separated DNA fragments to synthetic membrane, right? जो lab में create करते हैं, that's why the written over here synthetic membranes such as nitrocellulose or nylon. Next, now the next step is very crucial, right? In that what happen actually? First we need now what? VNTR probe. Which one? VNTR probe. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल VNTR प्रॉब जो बनाए वो लैब में सिंथेसाइज करते हैं, राइट? प्रॉब दैट इज द एग्जैक्टली द डीएनए सीक्वेंस, राइट? जो रिपीटेटेड डीएनए सीक्वेंसेस है, लाइक हमारे में फर्स्ट क्रोमोसोम पे ATCG है, तो फर्स्ट क्रोमोसोम पे ऑन वन स्ट्रैंड दैट इज ATCG, अदर दैट इज विच वन? अदर स्ट्रैंड हैज TAGC. सो हम कोई भी एक स्ट्रैंड, आइदर वी कंसिडर दिस स्ट्रैंड, तो ये स्ट्रैंड का अगर मुझे प्रॉप बनाना है तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होना चाहिए. ए के साथ क्या आना चाहिए? टी के साथ GC. बट दिस वन इज अ रेडियो एक्टिवली लेबल्ड, सिंपल चेन नहीं. विच वन? रेडियो एक्टिवली लेबल्ड. You know P32, S35, रेडियो एक्टिव थाइमिडीन ऑल्सो, है ना? तो वही कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया, इसको रेडियो एक्टिवली लेबल्ड कर दो, राइट? सो नाउ मान लो कि ये डीएनए, this thing present in that fragment, right? जो fragments किए हैं, right? So first chromosome पे like ये sequence है हमारा, second chromosome पे जो है the sequence like CCGG, right now. तो इसका DNA double stranded complementary क्या होगा right now? अभी इसका मुझे क्या बनाना है, डीएनए प्रॉप। तो मान लो कि चलो ये साइड का बनाते हैं, राइट? तो क्या सीक्वेंस आनी चाहिए, बट दैट शुड बी व्हाट, रेडियो एक्टिवली लेबल्ड। तो ऐसे वीएनटीआर प्रॉप्स पहले से ही लैब में बनाए हुए। समझ में आ रहा है कि दिस टाइप ऑफ द सीक्वेंसेस फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाइड, इट नीड्स सो मच रिसर्च, right? It needs so much research for that, and already this kind of VNTR probes are present formed in our lab. Understood this thing? आप सोचिए अगर हमारे ये सीक्वेंस डिफरेंट होते, मेरे फर्स्ट क्रोमोसोम पे ये सीक्वेंस है, नेक्स्ट पर्सन के फर्स्ट क्रोमोसोम पे ये सीक्वेंस है, तो इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना इजीली होता, यस और नो? हम सबका सेम है तो ऑलरेडी लैब में वो प्रिपेयर है, दैट्स व्हाई विद इन दैट्स द few minutes, that's a few hours we can say that's easily we can identify that person. ये कितने सारे dead bodies थे अहमदाबाद plane crash, right? So कितने सारे, but within 2, 3, 4, 5 days, right, that each and every family member got the information regarding the relatives with the help of this thing, right? So we have same that sequence. समझ में आ रहा है? तो उसके ऑलरेडी लैब में ऐसे VNTR props present है. Understood this thing? Next one. So this are we call VNTR props. These are known as a which one? VNTR props. Next, nitrocellulose paper or the consider this is the nitrocellulose membrane or the nylon membrane. I know that time, right? Just 5 minutes. So nitrocellulose or the which one? Nylon membrane. On that here, this before blotting, one that's a step is actually needed, not mentioned in your book. DNA is acidic or alkaline or neutral? Acidic. So DNA is a double stranded. इसको अगर acidic भी है, alkaline medium provide करेंगे तो denature हो जाएगा. Double stranded that converts to now single stranded. Double stranded convert to which one? Single, because अभी उसके hydrogen bonds break. Right? Here we are not using that helicase enzyme. Different step, different technique is there to make it separated. So now the which one is used over here, that is the alkaline solution एक देते, जिससे both the, suppose यहाँ पे है ATGC, तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा हमें? TACG, but they are not connected with each other with the help of hydrogen bond, because alkaline solutions के ऊपर treat किया है, right? Same over here, other sequences are there. नाउ साइंटिस्ट जो है वो क्या ऐड करेंगे ओवर हियर? VNTR प्रोब. ये तो हमारे सीक्वेंस है, सैंपल के सीक्वेंस हुए. नाउ एडिंग विच वन? VNTR प्रोब. ऑलरेडी नोन सीक्वेंस है, पता है कि ये क्रोमोसोम पे यही सीक्वेंस होते हैं. सो दिस VNTR प्रोब इज, मान लो VNTR प्रोब जो रेडियो एक्टिव है उसका सीक्वेंस है TACG, राइट? सो दिस वन कैन बाइंड टू दिस A और B. TACG A या B? B को बाइंड, बिकॉज दैट इज एग्जैक्टली कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. अल्कलाइन मीडियम प्रोवाइड करने के बाद उसको एक वॉश भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि अल्कलिनिटी रिमूव हो जाए, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज विच वन? सो दिस TACG कैन इजीली बाइंड ओवर हियर एंड मेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, यस और नो, राइट? सो बाय दिस वे अगर ये यहाँ पे बाइंड हो गया, इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि ये इतना रिपीटेड यूनिट है, राइट? वैसे ही जितने रिपीटिंग यूनिट्स होते हैं, मैं इतना बड़ा सेगमेंट नहीं बना सकती बिकॉज 100 बेस पर भी होते हैं, 60 होते हैं, राइट? जहां पे भी वो रिपीटेड सीक्वेंसेस है, सिंगल प्रॉब नहीं, मल्टीपल प्रॉब्स आर यूज्ड. मल्टीपल प्रॉब्स इन मैनी नंबर्स. मल्टीपल प्रॉब्स इन मैनी. सी, हर एक क्रोमोसोम का सिंगल प्रॉब, हर एक क्रोमोसोम का सिंगल, बट मैनी क्रोमोसोम्स है, देन उसके लिए रिस्पेक्टिव जो प्रॉब है वो यूज्ड होते हैं, राइट? इन मैनी इन नंबर. वो प्रॉब यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएंगे? बाइंड, जहां पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. एंड वंस द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री प्रोसेस डन, अगेन वन वॉश इज गिवन सो दैट जो अटैच नहीं है, देखो ये अटैच्ड है प्रॉब के साथ, नो, दिस वन अटैच्ड, यस, so this one remain as it is, बाकी सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? wiped out. And then the autoradiography occur. Which process? Autoradiography. जिससे autoradiography से once done, then it creates this kind of the bending pattern, राइट ये एक टाइप के क्या हो जाएंगे, बैंड्स जनरेट होंगे, एंड फिर ये बैंड्स को हमें कंपेयर करना है विद द अदर टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट पर्सन, राइट। सिबलिंग्स के साथ कर सकते हो या फिर पेरेंट्स के साथ, किसी के साथ ये मैच होगा 100% नहीं बट 50-70% यस और नो, है ना। सो दैट इज अवर डीएनए फिंगर प्रिंटिंग। इसमें एक